Hi guys, this is Sinet Bamnuke YouTube channel. I think you all are staying safe. Today I am going to do a video on how to enable monetization in a channel. That means how to know if you are eligible for monetization. For that you should open a web browser and choose the channel which you need, and after that you should go to the YouTube studio like this. And the YouTube studio is loading. You can see. Okay. Okay, now you can see the YouTube studio has been opened. Okay, for now in here you can see a one called monetization. You can click on monetization, and here you can see we need 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hours. Here you can see an option called notify me when I'm eligible. You should click on that. When you click on that, when you are eligible to monetization, it's reminding you by an email. And okay, now we should click on that. Now it's loading, you can see. Okay, here you can see we'll send an email when you are eligible to apply. That's what I was going to do with today's video. Stay safe. This is Sinet.